What's good, YouTube? Dino here. And before the video starts, I just want to mention that this video is pretty much like completely different from what I've sort of been doing lately. It's more of like a fun and careless video compared to my scripted and really informative videos that I've been doing. So yeah, expect some more jokes here and there and some funny moments. But with that out of the way, let's get right into the video. What's up, YouTube? Dino here.
Yeah, and boys.
Yeah, I am with my friend. So we're gonna build his keyboard. Basically, what it is it's a LK67 from Gamma K with the Akko Lavenders.
We bought it from Banggood, by the way.
Oh yeah, and it took
like
months.
For like 2 months.
Yeah, it took a long time. And we also have the HK Gaming Stealth Dolch keycaps that I had on my KBD67 Lite.
And I like those. They're clean.
That's why we're using them. So let me go grab the parts real quick. Alright, so this is the keyboard. I'll let you open it up and see how you like it.
Alright. It's probably gonna be garbage. I'm kidding.
No, it's not gonna
You're
be
gonna
garbage.
scam me. Dino scammed me, guys.
Dino did not scam.
Dino never scams.
Stay in the frame of the video, bro.
I'm trying to.
Alright.
Oh my god.
So yeah, I actually already opened it up and tried it out just to make sure it wasn't broken or anything. But here it is. Right here, yeah, that's the extra parts. We can just eat the box away.
Somebody likes the box. Oh, wow. It's my very own first keycap and switch puller.
So yeah, it comes with the dual keycap and switch puller.
And
this
USB.
is a braided cable.
I like that. That's nice.
The USB-C, yeah, it's a braided cable. It's not coiled, but it's a braided cable. It's kind of like the one that came with the GK64.
This is the wireless thing.
Yeah, this is the
Lewis said it was like a Toast said it was like a Bluetooth thing.
Yeah, it's gigahertz dongle. Yeah. Okay. Bro, why do you keep chucking stuff?
Because we don't need that.
Okay. So, first thing we're going to do is open up the keyboard with my wow stick. Alright, I think I'm just going to have to yank it off or something.
Oh, what was that?
It was the switch, like I said. But that's okay.
Because we don't want that.
Yeah, we don't need it. Like, at all.
Bye.
See ya. Okay. So, now we see the inside of the keyboard.
Kind of. I think you just have to unplug this.
What? Wait, hold up. What are you doing?
I know how to do it. I watched the review.
Okay. So, this is the battery. And these are the diffusers for the LED. And basically, it's like hooked inside of the top frame.
Oh, dang.
So we just have to unhook it. What's weird? First mod we're going to be doing is probably some foam, yeah? You like that?
I like foam.
Alright, let's go grab the foam.
Okay. You just have like random foam just lying around.
This is keyboard YouTuber's house.
We good?
We're all good?
Yep, I think so.
Alright. For the next mod.
Tempest?
Yes. We're going... Oh my gosh.
Bro, don't put it
Dude,
on top.
everything is falling. I don't have any room. There's switches all over my desk.
Get a bigger desk.
See ya.
Bye. Oh my gosh, somebody please help me.
And there's no standoffs in the middle either, so it's actually kind of flexy.
Weird flap. Okay.
Okay. Now, putting the top case back on.
Knob.
It just snaps. right in.
No, it actually doesn't snap right in.
And then
oh my
knob.
god. Finally, that took forever.
So now we can put in the switches. And you know how to put in switches, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you say? Typing test time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir!
Oh, dang.
You wanna try again?
Yeah. That was terrible.
Alright, a bit better.
Yep.
So, how do you like how they feel?
They feel pretty good.
They feel pretty good?
Yep.
Do you think they'll be good for your Minecraft gaming?
Hey, who thought I was doing that?
Or do
Yeah.
you think you're gonna want another keyboard after this?
Definitely gonna have to break into it a lot.
Yeah, it's a different feeling.
Wait, where was the
Here, let me try and take a typing test.
No, get out of here. Nobody likes you.
No, let me take a typing test! How much do you love your keyboard on a scale of Among Us Imposter Sussy to Fortnite Default Dance?
It's good.
Alright, guys. On that note, we are going to end the video right here. Subscribe to Dino! Let's hope they're not watching at night.
3 a.m. watching Dino at 3 a.m.
Imagine. Alright. Peace.